Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to create a silkscreen stencil using an exposing machine. In this process, we need materials such as printing ink, spatula, squeegee, coater, sensitizer, emulsion liquid, measuring cup, mixing ball, G-clamp screen frame with mesh, and a negative design. To create the light-sensitive liquid, mix the emulsion and sensitizer in a 3:1 ratio using the measuring cup. Pour the solution into the screen coater and apply it to the outer surface of the screen. Moving from bottom to top in one swift and smooth motion, avoiding any gaps. Hold the frame in a slanting way and then apply the solution evenly to the outer surface of the screen. Once the screen is dry, after 10 minutes, turn on the normal light. Place the transparent stencil design and the silkscreen frame in the center, and place the screen with the outer surface facing down to the transparent negative design. Now switch on the blue lights present in the exposing machine and close the lid. Keep the blue lights on for 300 seconds or 5 minutes. Note: UV blue light must be used only at the time of exposing the screen. This process needs to be strictly done in the dark room. After exposing the screen to the light, the screen needs to be washed out under the water pressure and rubbed gently to remove the non-exposed solution from the screen. After washing, keep the screen for drying in an isolated area. Thank you.